How can penis massaging improve sexual performance? Men know that after sex, the ligaments and nerves of the penis are quite fatigued. Using massage gel to massage the penis, the ligaments, nerves, and inguinal canal of the penis will be stimulated and blood circulation improved. It can restore the testicles and penis fatigue as soon as possible. Perfect for restoring the penis power and testicles energy, and promote blood circulation, so that the lower extremities blood flows back more smoothly, improving overall the sexual performance. The most important thing for men to do is improve the blood circulation of the whole body, especially the lower part of penis. Once the blood circulation is poor, blood stagnation issues will occur in the body and causes physical problems, and thus result in the decrease in the body's energy and endurance. A man must first sharpen his tools if he wants to do his work well. Vitroman Herbal Gel is odorless and non-greasy, suitable for all skin types. It is non-toxic and has no side effects, which can be safely used for a long time. Massaging the penis with herbal gel improves the activation of nerves and blood vessels. As a result, the body's metabolism becomes active and blood circulation is enhanced. This helps to prolong the erection and improve the ability to control ejaculation. It is helpful in relieving mental stress and allows men to be more in control and skillful during sex. Just apply it to the penis twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, and massage it gently for 1 to 3 minutes. It will bring you excellent maintenance effect and achieve excellent blood circulation. Like the lubricant, it is not harmful to the penis and no need to wash off after the massage. Vitroman Herbal Gel are available to sell in TCM stores and pharmacies in Singapore. We look forward to your order.
Inquiry at 656-25526. 656-25526.